Hello, tutor and classmates. Let me introduce myself. My name is Doris Joana Sanchez Velasquez, and in this video I want to share with you the main idea of the topic that I choose for this activity. This topic is the Guideline 3. English language teaching materials should encourage learners to develop learning skills. The development of learners' autonomy has become commonplace in many classrooms around the world. The idea that learners need to be able to take control over their own learning to be successful not just in class, but also to learn independently without a teacher outside the class, has become widely accepted in mainstream language teaching. In general, there is now a broader awareness of the importance of developing language learning skill in addition to the language itself. The development of learner autonomy is sometimes carried out through learning training or dedicated strategy instructions, but the most likely context in which learners come into contact with the idea of autonomy on a regular basis is the language course, and by extension, the textbook used in that course. Course textbooks may include some deliberate focus on learning process and encourage students to reflect on their progress, and as such are likely to play an important potential role in the development of students in different learning skills. However, it's unclear how textbooks implement this, or in that if they really do. If they don't or do so inequality, then it's less likely that students will develop as autonomous learners. There is no previous research to answer this question, and this study therefore set out to investigate and compare the inclusion of the focus of an autonomous learning skill in 5 of the most commonly used English textbooks. Materials can provide valuable opportunities to self-evaluation, but provide the necessary meta-language incorporated activities which encourage learners to access their own learning and language development. This can utilize the learner's first language as well as English. And these pictures, you can see four pictures that the textbooks, and obviously the textbooks are a very important tool and a very important material to the students through learning whatever topic, whatever skill. And obviously the common skill that the students practice with the textbooks is the reading skill, practice the reading skills, and their comprehension of the main idea of the paragraphs of the books. But obviously the students know new vocabulary through the reading the textbooks. And there are many materials through technology, like the songs, movies, materials that the students can find through the technology, through internet, and the benefits of using technology in the classroom and in their process learning of the students enables the use of the more interactive educational tools, which allows for a dynamic learning experience that directly benefits the students. The Web 2.0 interaction is both not only sharing ideas and information with some else about also receiving feedback, as classroom computer technology is being used for different types of communication, for presentation, for class interaction, and for collaborations. Students are required to be readers, writers, editors, and publishers, and must be willing to collaborate and co-create closely with others. And skills that are critical for students to learn as they grow and enter the workplace. Another advantage of using technology in the classroom, like material, is the flexible and adaptability to different learnings. Technologies such as podcasts and podcasts, for instance, provide students with the opportunity to learn at their own pace, the freedom to go back and the relevant context wherever they want. This could be especially important for ESL students and students with learning disabilities. Many EWL and common vocabulary that may be new to them, and other students might have difficulty reading and reviewing complex text. The ability to access podcasts and podcasts on current computers can help address these student needs. using technologies in the classroom, therefore can help combat the literal style system of education with that character-variety of learning process. This is the explanation for the pictures, and obviously the students through the technologies improve whatever skill, therefore reading skill, reading or and speaking. And the main idea is to practice the four skills, all the skills. My reflection for this main topic, for the topic that I choose, I think that it's essential that a teacher must use more than one teaching methodology, because each person or each student has a different way to learning. Therefore, the teacher should know and be able to apply each of these methodologies according to the student's needs, and the materials that we use to encourage the learning process must have resources that they liked. For example, teach new vocabulary through materials like movies, songs that allows practice the four skills to our students, and that encourage the development of their listening skills. This is my video. Thanks for your attention. God bless you.